sticking around to Earth with a black eye. I get it. Yeah. I still don't know what that is.
Enzo, is this your first haircut?
Oh, woo! Down on the ground. Down on the ground. Enzo's getting a haircut. Enzo's getting a haircut. He's doing a good job. Enzo.
You want your hair?
We like grunters around here. Big boy. Big boy. Enzo, look at where did it drop to? I have another trick. Oh. What is that? What is that, Enzo? What is that? Enzo.
You have any beer in that pocket?
What do you have? What are all these cool things? We should go buy some. Seems like you really like them. Shouldn't we get it like in like a little mohawk? Oh, I can put it in a mohawk. Just give me a second. Okay, take that picture. Well, I meant cut it in one maybe, or is that too crazy?
No, babe, come on, babe, come on.
You won't have any curls. Okay, yeah. But I like that. It's a good picture. Enzo, yeah, that's the Enzo. That's Enzo. He likes put a bow in it real quick too. That'd be kind of
Yeah, he's a bottom kind of guy.
Dad. Whoa, what are these bows? It's only his first haircut once. Yeah, what's this, Enzo? These?
Babe.
Bow. Bow. Mom gets the fun stuff. Dad's like, no, not my boy. Yeah, Enzo. That's Cinderella. A little girl named that thing Cinderella, believe it or not. Huh. I was like, yeah, it looks just like Cinderella. I mean, totally. Enzo, you are a big boy. Big boy.
Woo.
Oh, you smiling? Can you pull this? Look.
Hey, fire? You fire truck?
Enzo. Wow, Enzo. That is, what is this? Oh yeah, it stretches. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? A what? Look at this.
No, not up.
Enzo, here. Wait, here. Hold on to this. Here, let's maybe a spin. Maybe a spin will be good? Oh, wow. Who would have thought it spins around? That's the coolest thing ever, Enzo. How's the curls, Mom? That's good. Yeah, that's good. What do you think, Jay? What about in here? Oh,